Okay, I got a case study on a 2003 Chevy Astro van. Car came into the shop, complaint of a no start the following morning. Got towed into the shop, car started up, ran fine. So I checked it for codes, there was no codes in it. Car was running fine, no lack of power, no hesitation. So my first area of direction was to check the fuel pump. So I put my lab scope, put the amp clamp around the power feed to the fuel pump and checked it. And right there I saw the problem. Right here and right here is two spots where the fuel pump has got an issue. It's losing contact. So what's happening is that if the fuel pump, this is the main spot right here, is if stopping here, if it ends up stopping there, it's not restarting. So it's a dead spot in it. And also you can see I'm drawing almost 9 amps of current. The filter's slightly plugged, so it's making it draw a little bit more current than what it should, making the pump work hard. So I called it, I put a new fuel pump in it. And I'll show you the results of the new fuel pump. I also put a new fuel filter. Anytime you do a new pump, if the vehicle has a filter, change the filter too. Let me zoom in on it. And as you can see, new fuel pump, no dead spots. It's running a lot better. It's only with the new filter, we're only drawing 7 amps of current. Nice, even, crisp, uniform waveform. So the problem was definitely a fuel pump. Car is fixed. Customers had it for a couple weeks now, no issue. Like I said, I watched to see if there was a dead spot in the pump, and also I checked the current. This is drawing a little bit over 7 amps. Car runs fine, and that was the fix. Thank you. Hope this helps some people.